sugar, spice, and everything nice. These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect little girl. Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born!
For today's video, we will be doing the most likely to tag. So I'm with my sisters and we have our names in these index cards. So all of our names are here. Tag tatlo kami. So yeah, lahat kami may questions. We're just gonna alternate. Who's most likely to be the messiest? I'm torn. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
I'm not gonna pick myself.
I thought you would pick me.
I have a lot of things.
I was torn between the both of you. I feel like I'm just a hoarder, but I'm organized. Oo nga, kasi parati ko siya nakikita nagka-clean, nag-organize. Silya parang, mamaya na yan, mamaya na yan.
I don't have space and I have a lot of things.
Then get rid of your things.
It's clothes!
Okay. Sige, ako next. Most likely to make libre for no reason.
I know. Obviously.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Duh.
Now and then later on.
Wow! Kuripat tayo eh.
Yeah, super kuripat na
Kasi
lang.
I have no job.
I don't have a job.
If you don't have
like,
money,
rarely
and I'm
lang.
saving up for something. Who's most likely to fart in unexpected situations?
Oh my gosh, meron akong question na ganyan! Okay, I'm not gonna ask a question
Sorry
like
for
that.
exposing.
Okay, ready, set, go!
Of course.
Wait! Last night, I couldn't watch properly or I couldn't sleep. I thought you couldn't breathe. I couldn't sleep kasi like, oh my gosh, sino mo atat na yun?
Kaya pala she couldn't breathe.
It's not, it doesn't smell, it's just loud. Sometimes I'm like, ano, parang Beryl. Who's most likely to get a tattoo first? I think I know this. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! She's like the most... Parang every time na magtatanong about tattoo, parating siya, anong sasabihin? Okay na ba sa'yo kapag may tattoo kami?
I'm just curious,
Our mom
pero I'm
doesn't
not
like
sure.
tattoos or piercings or like that. Imagine her having a tattoo.
Where?
Beryl.
No.
Most likely na mapagalitan ng parents. Okay, this just happened yesterday. Where? Okay. I don't know. I don't even know anymore. Parang mostly kasi yung guys yung napapagalitan sa atin. 3, 2, 1, go. Sino sa'yo? Let me explain first. Wait. Let me explain first because I feel like Atalia is just the most reckless. No, but like sometimes inappropriate clothing, inappropriate sandals. Kahapon! But it's just because the parents don't understand, you know.
Sorry,
Feeling
teenage years.
ko ako dati, like parate.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, feeling ko siya.
Yeah,
Kasi,
UERM.
parate rin siya nagtatalk back. So, yung lalagay ko nga sana dito, most likely to get mad at our parents. Ito siya rin.
Oh, that's true.
Pero feeling ko siya. Okay,
Sorry,
explain
Mama.
yours. Why me?
Napagalitan siya when it comes to Ethan and Robbie. Okay, I have a story dito.
Okay.
Who's most likely to throw water at your face when she's annoyed?
Oh my gosh, parang no. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ate, let me explain.
Okay, go. That was one time. Okay, go.
I was in a bad mood, okay?
I was in a bad
I
mood.
was just eating. I was in a bad mood. Tapos bumaba siya. She keeps asking questions. I was like, di ko alam. Ganon. Tapos, she was holding
1, go.
Ate.
No, it's Atalia.
What?
I feel like Atalia can just be like, I'm gonna do this today, and she's gonna do it. Hindi ba ikaw yung gano'n?
Yeah, you're like that.
No, but she's like, she has the big ideas like playing tennis, and she'll just like do anything.
playing
Opening
tennis.
up a store. Yeah.
And I never like tuloy it.
If that's me,
Continue it.
if that's me, I'm just gonna be like, oh, I can do that another month, another day.
I get unmotivated easily, so hindi ko na
Okay.
natutuloy.
Feeling ko lang si Annette yung maganon eh. Hindi ko alam. Parang, feeling ko she's so smart. Parang she has so much goals in life. And ako rin,
Oh,
ganun.
yeah, si ate kasi she studies a lot. Well, she needs to.
Yeah, parang marami rin akong goals. Kaya, So, all of
Ewan
us.
ko, parang secretly ambitious, gano'n. Most likely to have the most children in the future. Obviously, it's her.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ate.
Feeling ko si
Ano?
Annette. I think both of us.
You like kids?
Feeling ko si Leah, hindi. Kasi, hindi siya masyadong mahilig sa kids. Like, gusto niya 1 or 2 lang.
Yeah. Or
Ako,
one.
feeling ko in the future, magiging super busy ako. So, yung gusto ko mga 1 or 2. Basta maximum 4, ganon. Pero si Annette, I don't know. She
I
doesn't
want
talk
a,
about
ano,
it much. I want a big house with, ano.
Yung parang family natin, gano'n.
No, not
Pregnancy is
much.
scary.
Like, what's the maximum number of children you want?
Maximum,
Like 5.
5? Oh,
But
sa
like,
God.
max
May-
4. But obviously, it's just like, I'm just saying it, not...
Who's most likely to reject someone without even saying a word? Someone has to tell a story.
Wait, let me see.
Meron akong answer, pero
Okay.
feeling ko may target sa Lia. Hindi ko may target ako.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
And then, what?
Si Ate Leah.
Lia?
I feel like titignan mo lang rejected ka na. I was gonna say that.
It's not working.
Can I say something? Diba, there were a lot of people who asked me. I think it's Ate Leah.
Yeah,
Ako,
feeling ko
I
si Annette kasi someone confirmed.
Wala ko alam. Most likely to be matakaw. Go.
Me or ate?
I think me. Okay, it's all tied.
Oo nga. Feeling ko kasi si Annette. Kasi mas pinakamarami siyang kumain eh. Oh, yeah. Pero ako, mahilig ako mag-try ng food. Trendy
May
siya.
like siya sa snacks. Yeah.
Si Lia, ba't ikaw? Ay, ba't ikaw? Oo nga, ba't siya?
Huh?
Sino ba pinili mo?
Ako.
Feeling ko I like food but I don't like spending money on it. Most likely to forget their own birthday. Okay na ba?
Okay, go! 3, 2, 1, go.
Me and Annette.
Why me?
Hindi ka si Lia. Me? Si Lia kasi
Own
parang
birthday?
kami ni Annette we're like planning
We're so
our
sentimental.
own. Yeah, we enjoy our birthday. You don't like birthdays kasi the last birthday you had was like
Because
you
it was
didn't
awkward.
like it. Ang dami yung pinaplan sa head niya na hindi niya in-expect. I want ice cream cake.
I even wake up till 12. I mean,
Ako?
I wait till 12 for my
Dahil
midnight.
sakto siya matutulog na mga 12 o 1 siya matutulog para lang maabutan yung birthday niya.
Exactly.
Si Lia parang, this is my excuse to get something I need. Who's most likely to be dramatic? Stick with one.
2, 1, go.
Annette.
I'm fine. Explain.
I don't know. Kanina lang, you were so dramatic. You were just watching Divergent. Ano
That
siya
was
ba?
crazy, not What? Most likely to forget birthdays or important events. Not their own birthdays.
No,
Other people's birthdays. Go.
Annette. Annette? Talaga? Ate, ako. I don't remember birthdays.
I forgot Kuya's birthday and his age
Yeah.
once, and
Lagi si Annette. Oh, like, okay. Most likely to become the coolest parent.
3, 2, 1, go.
Me.
Oh my God,
I didn't see
Yeah.
it. Ate, coolest.
She's like the single aunt who has all the money
Oh, wait, that was
And has no kids, so
Yeah. Who's most likely to die first? Die.
we're getting deep on another level. 3, 2, 1, go.
Dito ako.
I think it's Ate because she's gonna become a doctor, so she's like risking her life every day. If,
True, kung may
especially-
pandemic ulit. Pero ba't ikaw? Ikaw just clumsy and reckless.
I was gonna say siya! Most likely to be the most generous. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ate? Okay, feeling ko si ano.
No, because sometimes I do random acts of kindness.
Feeling ko generous ako, pero not
Not
as
as much.
generous as them. You know, like,
Disclaimer!
yeah.
Most likely to live in a different country. Feeling ko pinag-usapan natin to. Go.
Ako,
Yeah.
I don't like it here.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, at saka yun nga, parang siya yung, parang she's gonna do anything that she wants. Parang gano'n siya. She's gonna isolate herself. Ako, feeling ko mabilis ako ma-homesick.
Oo, si ate, ayun.
Ikaw
Ikaw,
ba?
how many years kaya mo?
No, I feel like I just want to be around family. Like that.
Who's most likely to be sensitive?
3, 2, 1, go.
Ate, ano net?
It's
Ako
me.
din, ate.
I think I'm the
Ako.
most sensitive. She gets the
Most
tampo.
yeah.
Most easily annoyed.
Actually, annoyed.
Yeah. I am
That's why they
sensitive
always
from
fight.
fault.
Silang dalawa.
Oh.
And I'm like, stop.
Oh, there was one time that Leah threw me down the stairs.
When?
Okay,
last
most likely to become a celebrity. Just got that from the go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ate.
Feeling ko ako kasi syempre may YouTube channel
Yeah,
ako.
she's
like used to the public. And meron akong mga experience gano'n. Not really experience, pero mga stuff like that. Pero si Annette kasi, parang bagay din sa kanya yun. Pero masyado siyang mahiyain. Like, ang dami niyang ginagawa.
Yeah, like,
Sa TikTok,
she
gano'n.
talks to herself sa mirror.
Nagbe-video siya sa sarili niya, pero never niya pinupost. So, yun, parang feeling ko if ni-release niya yun before pa. But I can do it. I can handle it. Sabihin niya sa kanya gumawa ng YouTube channel. Most likely to be overcritical. This is hard. I don't even know. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know. Feeling ko, siya yung talagang kapag galit siya or kapag may gusto siyang sabihin, sasabihin niya. Pero kung nawari ako, kung may kailangan akong sabihin, parang i-hide ko. Hindi ako nag-criticize. Feeling ko siya vocal kasi siya.
Not really.
I could make up an argument in my head if I wanted to, but I don't say it.
Who's most likely to snore?
2, 1, go.
Ako!
Whenever I heard her snoring, no, you know, there was this one time at night you were breathing so loud. I woke up. She farts in her sleep, pero ito, alam ko ito.
But I heard her snore. I know
Most of
why.
the time,
Because,
ikaw.
I always get supported, like, in the middle of the night.
When you want to target me and then you end up getting targeted.
I know.
If you want us to do another video together or maybe a video like this again, you can put your questions on the comments below or any video suggestions you want. Feeling ko parang mas open na sila magpakita sa YouTube channel ko, and hopefully you enjoy my videos with them. So yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!